Welcome to another video lecture series on analog circuits. I am Dr. Vinod. Let us now discuss about the first problem. The first problem is determine the expression for V naught. So this is nothing but a clamper circuit. You can see I have a capacitor, diode, and DC source resistor, and the input voltage is it's an AC volt of 50 cos omega t. So if if it is minus 50 means the diode becomes conducting. It will be a forward bias, so I could change this one into 0.7. So at minus 70, minus 50, when the input is minus 50, the output is nothing but minus 25.7 volt. Okay. So since it is a clamper, you can see the input is changing from minus 50 to 50. And since the diode is facing upward, it should go up, and so you get the peak to peak value of input is 100 volt, and you can see minus 50 is nothing but output is minus 25.7 volt. So I have to add 100 with this one to get the maximum value. Okay, so if at minus 50 it is minus 25.7. If I add 100, we get that is 74.3, right? If I add 100 with minus 25.7, get 74.3. And if I add 50, I will get 24.3. Okay. So this is my answer. When VA is 0, V naught value is 24.3. When VA is 50, it will reach V naught is equal to 74.3. So this is the expression for V naught, right? So, since it is a positive clock, and you know the output voltage should be represented in terms of volt. So I have to read this one. So this is 0, right? When it is 0, it will be like this wicket. So the next question is this is a clipper circuit. So I have added a DC source of 3 volt, right? And this is nothing but a positive clipper, right? And the total voltage of this one is 2.3. And since it is 2.3, it should not go above 2.3. And negative value is minus 5 volt, right? So it will not go more than this is nothing but a negative clipper, so it will not go more than 0.3. So since it is a negative clipper, whatever the VI value, it will be at the output. Okay, so whenever you can see if it is 4 volt, when VA is 4 volt, this will be open circuited. So whatever the input value, it will reaches the output. Okay, so this will be V naught is equal to VA when VA is greater than 2.32 5 volt, up to 5 volt. Since 5 volt I am giving as input. Whenever it is 2 volt, you can see this will be short circuited. Okay, so if it is short circuited means so it is not short circuited, it will be a 2.3 volt. Okay. So since it is a negative loop and I have 2.3 volt at the output, so it will not goes beyond this value. So always the output is 2.3 whenever the VA value is less than or equal to 2.3 and the input is 2.3. So that is what I do. So whenever the V naught is equal to 2.3 volt, whenever the VA is less than 2.320. Okay. So the next question, this diagram for the next question, and they are asked to find the V and I. So you know that V is equal to P minus 1 divided by 1 kilo ohm is equal to I. So I is equal to 4 milliamps. So what does V? V is the minimum value, that is 1 volt. So the next problem is they are given beta is equal to 124, IC is equal to 1.65 milliamps, and find the GM, RE and R pi. So GM equal to IC divided by VT. So IC value is 1.65 milliamps and VT is 25 milliamps. So I will get GM is equal to 0.066, that is 66 milliamps. So RE is equal to alpha divided by GM. So alpha is equal to beta divided by beta plus 1. So it should be less than 1 always. So 124 divided by 125. So I will get answer as 0.999. So it is approximately equal to 1, right? So I'm going to substitute alpha and GM value. I will get the answer as R pi. So since milliamps, if it goes up, I'll get kilo. So it is 15 kilo. Next, R pi is equal to RE into 1 plus beta. That is equal to 15 into 125 kilo ohm, right? So it is 185.7 kilo. Yeah. So it is 15 ohm and it is 1.875 kilo. Kilo, right? So the sixth question is they are asked to find the IE, IC, IP and VC value. So to find the IC, so 12 minus V divided by 4.2K, that is equal to 2.5 milliamps. So VB, they have given it as 1.5. So 1.5 divided by 75 kilo ohm, I will get the answer for the IB. So which is nothing but 0.02 milliamps. That is nothing but 20 microamps. Usually IB is in the value of microamps. Next, I need to find IE. IE is equal to IC plus IB. So IC and IB value they have given already. So you just substitute the value. So IE is equal to 2.52 milliamps. So next you know to find the value of VC. VC minus of minus 9 divided by 2.75 kilo ohm, that is equal to IE. So you multiply this one, and if you therefore VC is equal to 6.93 minus 9. So it will be in the range of minus 2.07 volt. So that's all about the problem. Next seventh question. This is regarding the voltage, Zener voltage regulator, and they're asked to find the value of IL max minimum, IZ max minimum. So you know that 40 minus 15 divided by 1K is equal to 25 milliamps. And they are given IL is equal to 1 milliamps. So what is the range of IL? So they are given IZ max is equal to 24 milliamps. So this IL becomes IL minimum. So IL minimum is nothing but 1 milliamps. Okay. So they are asked to find the value of RL and IL range. So 15 divided by 1 milliamps is nothing but 15 kilo. So since it is minimum, IL minimum, this is RL maximum. So what will be the minimum value of RL minimum I should find? How to find it? Okay. So the IL minimum is 1 milliamps, and IL maximum it may go to 25 milliamps because this is open circuited. So 15 divided by 25 milliamps, it becomes 3 divided by 5K, that is nothing but 0.6K, that is 600 ohm. So we know that it ranges from, IL ranges from 600 to 15 kilo, when IL ranges from 1 milliamps to 25 milliamps. So the next question is, it is like parameter. So you have to find the value of IC. Okay. So you know that 9 minus 0.7 divided by 1.5K is your I. So that value is nothing but 8.3 divided by 1.5K. Right. So that is equal to 5.533 milliamps. So you know that IA is equal to IC plus IB plus IB1 plus IB2 plus IB3. Right. So if IB1, IB2 and IB3 is equal to IB, so I can write IC plus 3IB. Okay. So we know that IC is equal to beta IB. So IB is equal to IC divided by beta. So IC, if I take common, 1 plus 3 divided by beta value is 134, that is equal to 5.533 milliamps. So IC is equal to 5.533 milliamps divided by 1.024. So this will come around 5.403 milliamps. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.